Good day to you all. In this session, we will understand how to create a project scope statement or what is comprising inside a project scope statement. Okay. So, basically, what is scope? Scope is the work that we or the project team need to be completing through the project. Okay. And an important point to be noted is the scope statement covers the work that need to be done as well as that need not be done to create the unique product or service or result. Okay. So just like how important is knowing what to do, it is equally important to know what not to do as part of the project, because we can't afford to do everything. Okay, the budget is limited, the time is specified, the quality is specified, the scope should then be controlled. That's it. So writing and drafting the scope statement is the preliminary action taken in the planning process. Okay, we have seen that the project charter created during the initiating phase began to define the project. Okay, and in the planning process, we found that the scope statement will clarify and expand upon the project charter. Okay, it will be an elaboration. Okay, so here the project's description, the reason or the justification of the project and its requirements are clarified and expanded. Okay, and creating the scope statement is a joint effort between the project stakeholders and the team. See, it is not a single man show. The project team will meet the stakeholders, understand more about their requirement, their expectations. There will be a strong or efficient, effective communication between them, and things will be developed further. Okay, so they start by reviewing and updating the information in the project charter. Okay, project charter contains some basic informations. Okay, and from then they develop it further. Okay, that is what is happening in the project scope statement creation in a planning process group. They make sure, the team makes sure that they have agreed upon the requirements and confirm the finished product, service or result. Okay, so there should be a common agreement, there should be a common ground, what is being done and what is not being done. Okay, and I mentioned that in project scope statement, okay, while planning we will have additional information. So what are the additional informations? One is the project constraints, that is the limiting factors. Okay, second one, assumptions. What are assumptions? Assumptions are factors about the project that the team considered true, okay, without having a solid proof at that moment of time, and assumptions will be validated time and again till such time that okay, it is found no more valid or it is having validity. So till that time the assumptions hold good. Then boundaries. Okay, what is included and what is not included in the project, that is boundary. Then finally user acceptance criteria. Okay, the conditions under which the deliverables are accepted, or what are the standards expected out of the project in terms of the delivery. Okay, so the project constraints, assumptions, boundaries and user acceptance criteria is being clarified in the project scope statement, which is being developed in the project planning. Okay, during the planning discussions, different expectations may arise because there are so many stakeholders, they have varying requirements. Okay, so it will make necessary to redefine the project deliverables and sometimes even the schedule and the budget, that is the constraints. So an open communication channel between the project stakeholders and the project team is essential. So communication everywhere, and we even mention or state that the project manager, most of the time he will be communicating or he will be managing the communications to ensure that everybody's requirements and expectations are taken care to the best possible manner. Thank you.